Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. In the last lesson we implemented this piece of code and a few other bits as well, where if we clicked to quit the game it asks us if we're sure we want to quit and then does so or not. So we need to do the same for when we're returning to the main menu. So that's what we're going to do in this video. And we'll start right at the very top here, creating another private bubble. And we'll just call this underscore return to menu. We'll close the line off and as always straight into the comments. Defines if we are trying to return to main menu. Okay, with that ball in place, let's go ahead and alter the rest of the script. So the first thing we're going to do is come to the void update now. So we had this, so if we was quitting game, we couldn't unpause by hitting the cancel. We had to click either the yes or no button. And we need to do the same for when we're trying to return to the main menu. But we don't need to do another block of code. And in fact, we come here just before the close brackets. And I'm going to create a space and we're going to use the OR. Now it's these two vertical bars. This means OR in code. So we're going to use that and we'll use the variable we've just created, underscore return to menu, and we're going to say double equals and again true. So if we press the cancel button and quitting game equals true, or the return to menu equals true. And let's tidy this line up. I'll actually split it into two lines. I'll come here just before the ands and we'll enter, and we'll just cut the comment and we'll paste it in on this above line first. So if input equals the cancel button, and I'll cut that from where we say and. We'll come to the next line and quitting game equals true. So let's come here and I'll put it in capitals, or return to menu. So if input equals the cancel button and quitting game equals true, or the return to menu equals true, then we do nothing and return. And let's come down a little bit further. So we'll come down to our void on GUI, and we need to do the same for this line of code here. So again, we'll use the double bar, underscore return to menu double equals true. We'll bring the comment back into line. If quitting game equals true, and again we'll use the OR, and we'll just say return to menu equals true. And tell you what, we'll just copy that line and we'll just paste it in here as well, and it saves altering both. So we'll just save that off there. So if we are trying to quit the game or we are trying to return to the menu, then we can no longer proceed on with the code. So with that in place, let's come to this if block. If quitting game double equals true. And let's just copy all of that. And we'll come here after this close bracket, end group, close bracket, space, and that's where we're going to paste in. And I'm sure you've guessed, we're just going to alter this to if return to menu equals true. In fact, let's use the naming convention this time in the comment. So let's change this to, and we'll just say return to main menu. We'll bring the comment back into line. Let's just copy that. And again, we'll just paste that into the comment. So the code for the buttons can remain the same. Obviously, we need to change this. This time we're making return to menu to be equal to false. And we'll change it in the comment. Again, we'll use the naming convention this time. But if we click yes, we don't want to quit the application. We just want to load a scene. So let's delete the code from there. And we'll come back up here. And we will just cut this line for the scene. So let's paste that in. We'll get rid of the empty line and we'll bring the comment back. So we'll save that off there. So let's have a look. And what we do need to do is we'll copy this line into there. So if we press the main menu button, and this time let's just copy the variable. We want to set return to menu to be equal to true. So let's save that off there. And that's all we need to do, because we did a lot of the work with this in the last video. So let's go and test it out. We'll downsize it for now. And there we go. It's recompiled. We'll hit play. And we'll just wait a moment. So we'll pause the game. We'll hit quit. Are you sure you want to quit? Obviously, we cannot test the yes button inside the editor. We have to wait till we do a build. We'll test the no. So we're back. And let's try the main menu. So return to main menu. No. And we're back just in the pause screen. And return to menu. So do we want to return to the main menu? If you notice, the quit button won't work at the moment. So our fixes are working. Return to main menu. Let's hit yes. And there we go. We're back to the main menu. So everything's working pretty much. One thing we do have to do is we have to alter the way we are playing our audio clips, because at the moment things are happening so fast that they're not given time to play. But that's not a problem. We'll do that in the next video where we fix the audio clips. So I think we'll leave it here for this lesson. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope to see you next time. And until then, as always, bye for now.